Hey y'all, come on out. It's your girl Creasy Too Real, and I'm back with another video. I'm coming out here greasy as usual, so excuse me. I come to you with a heavy heart and a full stomach because I just ate a crab leg bag. But anyway, before we get into this story time, y'all gave me hell on my last video. Some girl was arguing with me because I said 2 South African flies came out the homeless man pants. Damn, next time I'll say Australian or some USA flies, some dumpster flies. It was not that serious, okay? Y'all know stuff just fly out my mouth. She's saying I disrespected the whole continent, y'all. I'm sorry, okay? I thought that I was just talking. It wasn't nothing personal, but goddamn, I'm not about to be arguing now about no 2 flies. Next time, I'll just say USA flies, okay? Damn. Second of all, y'all, oh, how you gonna say that? That's your friend. Damn, I only knew the girl for 2 months. Goddamn. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the last video. I didn't say nobody's name. I didn't say nothing. Y'all calm down. These just story times. I usually be on Instagram or Facebook. Well, I'm normally always on Instagram. I came over here to YouTube just to have a little fun, to be myself. But baby, if I can't do that, then I won't do story times. Okay, y'all? Jesus. It ain't that serious. This for a light little joke. I told y'all I wish the girl the best. And I doubt if she making them dumb decisions that she was making 5+ years ago, okay? She's older now because I'm an older, mature 32-year-old. Damn, my tongue get real slippery when I ain't got no wine on my tongue. But y'all, since I told a embarrassing, heartfelt video about the girl, I'm gonna tell y'all an embarrassing, we all done did something we ain't proud of. Ooh. Oh yes. So I'm gonna tell y'all something I did that's a deep, dark secret that I would never tell anybody else. So I'm gonna tell the people I love, you out there, I'm gonna let y'all know this story time is about how I had to hide this dookie ball. Let's get into it, y'all. Y'all about to stress me out. Y'all, this girl sent me these. They already pre-wrapped. They sage and different like little natural herbs. Y'all gonna push me to smoke them. They supposed to relax you. It ain't none of that, nothing illegal. It's just herbs, girl. You can smoke it or use it as tea. But baby, y'all gonna drive me to fire one of them up. Anyway, oh girl. It gets me right where I need it to. Anyway, so y'all, I had a crush on this guy, girl. I was in high school, girl. I had a crush on this guy. And I had went to his parents' house, girl. I finally went over there to see him and whatnot, girl. I thought I was fancy and stuff. Cute, girl. He was my crush, girl. But now he ugly and I don't care nothing about him, girl. And hopefully he don't know that it was me that threw the dookie ball, little shit ball behind. Oh, girl, anyway. So I like this boy, y'all. I finally went to his house. We went, you know how his parents was there, but it was a lot of people at his house, girl. So we just was kicking it in the living room, but girl, my stomach went to doing a little razzle dazzle. I only had to pee, y'all. So I go in the bathroom to pee. But girl, when I peed, it must have been girl, I don't know. I pinched a little dookie ball out. Baby, it was about that big, y'all. It wasn't even big. Like a little rabbit pellet, you know, nothing too major, a little gerbil ball. I don't know. But baby, I don't know how my asshole pinched that little shit ball out. But baby, it was in the toilet. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna flush it, bitch. I peed and it was sitting directly on top of that tissue, girl, after I had the damn wiped it. The little dookie ball was just showing herself, honey. She wanted to be seen, baby. Like, damn, little dookie ball, go up under that tissue, quit playing around. Jeez. Just like a motherfucker, I was trying to be seen. Baby, go down them folks' commode. Anyway, so y'all, I I go to flush the toilet, baby. The goddamn dookie ball was fighting for her life, girl. The toilet got stopped up, y'all, and it was no plunger. And then when I tried to push it again, girl, the water rised on up, baby. And I knew if I pressed it again, baby, she was gonna rise. So, y'all, I went to sweat. And I could hear people out, girl. His parents used to have drunks and stuff over there. I don't damn know. Y'all, his parents used to have a whole bunch of people at the house. But he was knocking on the door asking, was I okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm okay. Just finna wash my hands. I couldn't tell the boy that they damn toilet was stopped up because I had that little ass shit ball sitting up there on top of the damn tissue. And I was... Y'all, I ain't have nothing to do with the shit ball. Like, I couldn't tell the boy to come in there. It just terrified me back then. Now, bitch, I'd be like, boy, I'd put some tissue on top of that shit ball and be like, boy, what? A little shit ball came out. What problem? Hell, we all do it. But back then, baby, I was terrified and I was sweating bullets, y'all. So, I don't want to tell this story, bitch. It's embarrassing. And after this, y'all gonna call me a nasty bitch. But hey, I got a man. Anyway, so y'all, the only thing I could think to do was to get the shit ball out of the toilet with something, girl. That, I don't know. My logic was if I could find something to fling this shit ball somewhere in this bathroom and just tell them that the commode stopped up and it don't be nothing but pee in there, then that was my logic, okay? So, I seen, you know the little thing that you clean the toilet out with? Baby, I seen that and I was like, I'm gonna fish this shit ball out of this toilet and I'm gonna do something with it. Baby, I hadn't got that far. All I knew was if I can get that little bitty piece of shit ball out that toilet, the rest, I'll let Jesus take care of, baby. I'll let God, whatever higher being you want to believe, baby, that's who was going to help me, baby. I was going to, I just felt like, I don't know, back then I just used to be like, I know Jesus ain't down the cross for me to get caught with this dookie ball, baby. I know that. So, y'all, I'm in the bathroom sweating like a dog. Sweating like a dog, girl. Trying to figure out what to do with my little dookie ball, baby. I mean, it's only... Baby, when you young, you stupid, okay? I didn't know. I just thought that my life would end if that boy seen that little piece of dookie ball in there. So I took the little thing that you clean the toilet out with, and baby, I was trying to get it off the tissue. And I kept, you know, making sure. Girl, when I finally got a grip of that piece of tissue, y'all, it let loose. And the tissue ball flopped back when I was trying to... Girl, got caught on some tissue. I don't know, but it flew, y'all. The dookie ball flew. When I turned around, I saw the dookie ball. Girl, go behind them folks, wash and dry. Do y'all think I was gonna climb back there and figure out what to do with that dookie ball? Baby, I skedaddled on out them folks' damn bathroom. Let me tell you something. To this day, I don't give a damn what that dookie ball did. I don't know if I know them folks was in that bathroom like a couple days later, like, damn, we done cleaned the bathroom. It smell like shit in here. God damn, what's going on? Baby, it's that dookie ball, that little bitty dookie ball, baby. Back there. That's probably, you know what, to this day, them folks probably never seen that dookie ball till they moved out their house. Dookie ball probably was mummified. I don't know. King Tut back there behind that damn wash and dry. It was weird because they had a wash and dry. I grew up at this house that had a wash and dry in the bathroom too. I wonder what I would have did with that dookie ball when I got it out. I still don't know. What I would have tried to put it down the tub. Sound like a bright idea. Put it down the tub, run some water, because it wasn't that big. Oh, you know what? I was a nasty bitch because I ain't had no... Girl, as nice nasty as I was, I ain't like stuff touching me. Baby, I had them folks' little scooper. The little thing you clean out. Baby, if that dookie ball... I don't know what I would have did with that dookie ball, y'all. My logic back then, I was desperate. Desperate motherfucker will kill you. I don't know what I was going to do with that dookie ball. All I knew, maybe I was going to wrap it up with tissue and... Girl, I don't fucking know. Who knows, baby? If I could travel back in time, I wouldn't do it. Cause I'm not going back to that situation with that dookie ball. The hell with y'all. Anyway, but you know what? Speaking of dookie balls, this boy told me in confidence. Yeah, I'm telling his business. The fuck? I ain't seen him in a while. Once again, I ain't gonna say no names for y'all beat me down. But he told me he used to be, it was actually my cousin. My best friend's cousin. And he was in there talking about this girl he had sex with. But he said he had her legs pinned back, like to her shoulders, like pinned back. And he was hitting it like that. And after they was done, she was acting weird. And he couldn't figure out why she was acting all weird when she was leaving to go home. He said after he cleaned the bed up, was making the bed up, he found once again, a little dookie ball made her appearance. Girl, I guess, well, he said he guessed all that pressure that he had on her legs, a dookie ball pinched out. Somebody them dookie balls back then. I don't know if it was the church's chicken people was eating back then. I don't know. Cause you know what? These kids these days don't look nothing like what I used to look like. What we used to look like. Us 80s babies, baby. Y'all look grown. Y'all got titties, butts. Baby, back then now if I'd have known about that church's chicken back then, I'd have ate all of it if I could have got these big wide backs and titties early like y'all did. Come on out. But anyway, y'all, let me get back to the story. Y'all know I get sidetracked. So he's guessing that the dookie ball just squished out from all the pressure. That pressure. It be the pressure. But if I was her, oh, baby, I would have had to stay tonight because I'm going to find that dookie ball. I'm not finna leave that boy's house without finding that dookie ball. I don't know if she might have was searching for that dookie ball because you had to feel it. She should have went back there and just grabbed it. I don't know, girl, because a boy finding it when you leave, oh, I know that had to be embarrassing. I think he told her. I can't recall what he said, if he told her or what, and they laughed about it and they never talk about it. But baby, because he was a jokester, so I know he probably said, girl, you left a dookie ball in my bed, girl. He ain't give a damn about you being embarrassed. He one of them type of them dudes. Girl, I'm drunk. Y'all know this ain't my first glass. But girl, he one of them dudes that will, if you got a bump, girl, he gonna make a joke about it. You might as well go ahead and already tell him about your bump that you got on your face and joke about it first. So I know that he ain't just pull them covers back and make it the big and be like, oh, that's a dookie ball. Thump it. Bing. Nah, baby. He called her up and said, baby, you left a little minced sausage ball in my damn bed. Woo, girl. Y'all, I know I was a little long-winded this video, but I really enjoy coming on here. It gives me some therapy, but girl, I don't feel like arguing with y'all or putting them comments about dumb stuff. This is just lighthearted shit, my real life stories. Take it with a grain of salt, please. They just story times. I can't go back and change you, girl. Damn. Let me live my life. Oh, I'm gonna have to pack up and go back to Instagram, girl. Coming out. But like I was saying before my camera died, anyway, y'all, if y'all still want story times, let me know. I know I talked y'all head off in this video and I do get sidetracked because I do be a little drunk. Damn. Okay. Don't judge me. But y'all, this be for fun. I do like to tell my personal stories or my life stories. But damn, let it be fun. I ain't come over here not to be laughing and being myself. Let's just have a good time on this channel, girl. Let's not be too serious. I ain't got the time or the energy, girl. And I don't smoke cigarettes. I just drink. Okay? So let me. Girl, y'all gonna make me start looking old in the face. Carrying on. But, Chrissy gonna step. You feel me? Cause baby, if you think that I'm about to be arguing with your light-skinned possum-looking ass, I'm not doing it. Some of y'all look like a damn albino roach with freckles, but want to argue with me about what I look like. Mind your business, girl. My man like it. Come on out. Anyway, till next video, you guys.